Are you curious to know how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook? Then you are at the right place as we have the ways to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. AI is now everywhere, even if it is not natively integrated. It has given everyone the power to get things done, understand complex things, and create images using their imagination. Meta AI, the AI-powered chatbot, has been rolled out to almost everyone, and here is how to use the Meta AI in WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Let's get started. How to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. You can access Meta AI on WhatsApp using the @ button in single or group chat and interact with it directly as a contact. Since the group chats are visible to everyone, use the one-to-one chat to get things done and then forward it to other groups or chats. You can also access Meta AI using the individual chat option. The interesting part is that Meta AI now offers an AI studio with many chatbots of different styles. That includes advice and connections, pop culture, anime, and more. How to use Meta AI in Instagram. Meta AI is not natively integrated in Instagram yet. However, you can use it in group or individual conversations by asking it to generate images using this switch. Like here, we are typing this, and after a few seconds, Meta AI replies to this. How to use Meta AI in Facebook Messenger. You can use or access Meta AI using the @ button from the text box. You can then ask a question. For example, you can ask for restaurant recommendations, information on a topic, or even a request. Or you can go ahead and tag a conversation and ask Meta to explain it. If images are your thing, then directly type / then imagine with no space in between. Or you can type this /imagine or @Meta AI /imagine followed by your description, and it will generate AI messages you can send. You will get the command in the description below. However, do remember that Meta AI will provide answers or content directly within your chat, visible to all participants. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.